Alright, before I get into this video, I just want to thank Christian for letting me use his car. I also want to shout out my friend Jordan at ThatCarGuyJorden. And I also want to shout out my other friend. His name is Cheston. Go check him out. His YouTube channel is Cheston's Going Up. But I just want to go over a few things I forgot to mention while I was in the video. First off, this is my buddy Christian Lexus IS 300, and we're doing a build on it. So if you like the car, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can go ahead and see more of that car. Also, another thing I forgot to say is once you're doing this kit, you want to keep it out of as much rain as you can, and it's raining, so we don't know how well it's going to turn out, but you can probably hear it right now, but it's pouring down rain where I'm at right now, which I'm at my work. God, it's raining. But anyways, I want to say thank y'all for watching the video. Before it starts raining loud enough that you can't hear me, thank y'all so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoy. Just keep watching the whole way through so you know as much as you can, and I'm drawing this out so I get more watch time. Go ahead and comment your favorite type of food. I don't know why I said that, but go ahead and do that. But anyways, thank y'all so much. Enjoy the video. Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's Seth back with another video, and today I'm working on my buddy Christian's Lexus IS 300. You've seen this quite a bit on the channel, and y'all started really good support. So I'm thanking y'all so much for that, and just keep watching. This build's getting better and better, man. He's holding the camera right now, but right now we're gonna go ahead and do cheap and easy headlight fix. To fix your headlights from this to like that. And if you see those headlights, those are brand new, but trust me, this will work just the same. And this is, I mean, it's not as cheap as like the toothbrush fix, but it works even better. And this has a sealant layer that allows the headlights to stay clear for a whole lot longer. So let's go ahead and get straight in. Here is Rust-Oleum Wipe New. This is Headlight Restorer. You can get this at Walmart for around $10 and like 60-something cents. But I promise you, it will make these headlights look like these headlights. It'll make them crystal clear because it adds a protectant layer and all, and like a polish to it, and it looks really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the simple steps to do this. So the kit comes with really simple and easy instructions to use. It also comes with these gloves. I do recommend using them, but since my hands are too big, I can't. But we're gonna go ahead and get to step one, which is determining what type, if you need to actually polish it down or not. These headlights are so bad that I think we are gonna polish them down. So I'm just probably gonna make a little time lapse of that. So now that we got the headlights all sanded down, we're gonna take this microfiber towel and just really dry it off and really try to get it as dry as we possibly can. That way we can go ahead and put the polish up there to really bring out the clear in the headlight. We got that completely wiped down and dried. We even did the fog light. Now we're gonna pull out the Rust-Oleum Wipe New Wipe It. This is what you're gonna need to put on. You are supposed to wear gloves for this, but like I said, my hands are way too big for the gloves. So we're just gonna wipe it down. You have to wipe it down one time very, very cautiously, not to get it on your paint. With this car, we don't really have to worry because the paint is going to get replaced. But like if your paint is perfect condition, you want to be very, very careful. Maybe even try masking tape around the headlight and around the fog lights if you're doing fogs. That way you don't have any problems with it. And then there's a Honda Accord going by. But yeah, mask around it so everything is good. So if you can see, we haven't done this side, but we have done this side, and you can see such a massive difference in the fog lights, especially from here. But like everything, like you can't really tell here, but even coming around the side is so clear. Like I said, it's gonna make your car look so much better. This is one of those modifications that you can do to your car to instantly change the look, almost as much as wheels and tires. But lights, to me, are one of the best things you can do for a really cheap budget. Like I said, this was only $10. But you can see it has drastic results. So we're gonna go ahead and do this side too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a time lapse of that. So I hope you enjoy. Well guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all like the outcome of this. If you see this, please hit the subscribe button. We're growing slowly, but let's go ahead and boost it. This car will get boosted if you boost this channel's growth. So thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you to Christian for allowing me to use the car again. And I'll see y'all next time. Have a great day.
Now turn up.